So yesterday, go to the garden centre, buy some shears, Robert. You just need shears. Don't buy any vegetables. Just shears. Well, you can see how that turned out. Temptation got the better of me on this occasion, and I forgot to buy the shears. So, great trip to the garden centre. So now, as well as clearing the remaining brambles behind me to the left, I now need to prepare the beds for all the stuff that I've bought. I've grown potatoes before, never this late. I've never grown Christmas potatoes, so that'll be a new thing. I'm probably already late for them, so that's the main priority. Then I've got onions, shallots, broad beans and broccoli, none of which I've grown before, so it'll be a new experience for me. I'm just worried about space at the moment, so lots of prep in terms of the beds, lots of prep in terms of getting the rest of the plot ready for next spring. Good thing I've got a whole day to go at it, so yeah, I'll bring you up to speed shortly. Okay, so I've cleared this area of weeds and pots and sinks and whatever else was in there, and I've just put some weed suppressant membrane down and put some wood down and the other two small raised beds that I made a couple of months ago just to hold it down, stop it blowing away at the moment. That's not where they're gonna finish. Then I've cleared the bed over the back. I don't know if you can see, we'll come around there. That's cleared now, so I'll probably get some more manure and dig that over. I don't actually know what I'm going to be doing with this in the short term. I might even use that compost elsewhere and just get rid of the bed or move the bed somewhere else, because as I said, my shed shouldn't come that far forward, but it depends what I'm going to do with these plum trees. I'm probably going to get rid of them and put the shed right back to the fence, and I don't think it's going to come this far forward. The larger bed at the back definitely has to go once the pumpkins have finished, so that's going to go, and then I'll just mat this bit as well, and then we'll go from there. Okay, it's getting towards the end of the day now. I've actually put 2 lengths of matting down and then put my raised beds on top of them and then stacked all the rest of the wood inside of them, and that has cleared this area for me. So come the weekend I will start prepping this bit. I'll sort out all this rubbish here. There's some wood underneath the sinks and the pots over there. I'll move that, and then hopefully I'll get the matting all the way from here in front of me to the existing beds up there, and then we'll be prepped for winter. So the only thing I'm a little bit worried about is that the ground's quite moundy, like where this old hose cage is here. There's like a bit of a hollow, and then it comes right up, and there's a mound here, and then it sinks back down. So I'll probably just cover this for now, and then come the spring when I'm putting the beds in place and I'm getting the ground ready, I'll just shave that off and fill the hole and level it then, rather than doing it now while it's covered in grass. I've also taken everything out of this side of this bed now, so this is prepped. I'm probably going to use this for onions, and then I'll have a 2 or 3 more beds here that I'll probably use. I'll use one of them for onions because I won't have enough room for all of them in that one bed, and then I'll probably have a couple for broad beans, but the layout I'm not too sure of at the moment. And then, as I said, I've cleared this bed here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use this bed for now, because I'm worried that it might be too close to where my new shed might be. So yeah, done a fair bit today. Quite pleased with how it's coming on. It looks a lot bigger than it was now. Everything's cleared, so really pleased. Okay, so with that, I'm going to be off. My girlfriend Sam is taking me out for a birthday dinner, so I need to shoot off now. So thank you very much for watching again, and I will see you very shortly. So hi, obviously video would normally have finished now, but I just wanted to show you something. Have a look at this cake that Sam made me. It's pretty spectacular. I mean, you can see the entire allotment there, and she's made marrows, the raised beds, spring onions. I've got the beetroot there, peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, and then on the other side we've got pumpkins. You see tomatoes there again, runner beans on the corner, and even Daisy Dog digging up the carrots. So pretty special. Let me know what you think of that, and I'll see you soon.